In this family, we don't cheat.
I cannot cheat now. I cannot cheat.
This man, we don't cheat. And our in-laws that comes to marry in this family can never cheat.
Do we cheat in our family? Do we cheat in our
because
family?
There's a spirit in this. There is a spirit in this family. Eh? We have one spirit and we have one God that we normally give to our in-law. It's called Agungi.
Spirit.
It's a spirit.
What is it?
Because whenever you think of cheating or you even imagine at all,
What?
the gods will strike you. And by the time it strike you, there must be a mark in your body.
No,
That's right.
Somebody help! Hey God, oh, hey God. What is it? What is it? Hey God, this man has killed me. You've killed me. You've killed me.
Why are you crying? That is my nightmare.
I'm not doing it again.
What?
I'm not
What
doing
again?
this
What is
now. Hey God, oh. What's all this one again now? What's all this? What have you done again? What have you done again?
It's a dream.
What dream? You've cheated again, eh? You've cheated again. If I used to do this one to you, you've cheated. Oh, yeah. No. It's not like you are taking it. You did it.
It was a dream. That's why I'm having to control my dream. Hold on. I'm having to control my dream.
I don't know. You've cheated.
Hold on. Now let me explain. You were trying to seduce me in my dream. I resisted.
You did not resist.
It was when I was resisting. I was dragging with Agungi.
You will not fit you like this.
No, I resisted in my dream. I swear to God. They wanted to rape me. They almost raped me. It was they raped me in my dream. I did not do. Hey, God. Now me they control my dream. Now me get my dream. Now me get my dream. Which kind of wahala be this now? Which kind of wahala be this?
My man.
Okay. Man, I die.
You dey obvious. Like they sick.
I'm not sick, bro.
You dey sing.
I know they sing.
You know there is a fella now, dot everywhere.
Not be Agungi. Okay.
Now do all this thing.
Now dream, oh.
Another
It's a
time.
dream. You dream me.
They slap you for inside dream.
Yes, now.
Before you enter inside dream.
That spiritual I show for dream.
Okay.
That you know spiritual wife say don't leave it to my life before I marry. So
We give you infection, so.
that spiritual wife. Now Boogie take me, oh. You don't slap me, oh. Igbi. I now someone I dey treat am. If my body before I don't treat am. Continue. Igbi. For a dream, oh. I don't even. Now me dey control my dream, my brother.
The way they go, so anytime for now, if you pull, so. Though.
We need to do something about them.
How did that one carry me come, Baba? I bet you not marry, so you must marry. I mean, I'm living my life. That Instagram girl now. That my Instagram girl, why they tell you now? Why I send you picture now? Cherry, come my house now. If I inside my trap, I rise and come. Bro, as she land yesterday, we started around 4 in the evening.
Iwe. You take this JC route.
Like JC route at this start now. I don't take this. I don't. You also still full now. You see the guy they drink am. The guy lick my ear, lick am. Lick am with my finger, lick am. Papa, I get the lick. Lick it back. The guy lick me, eh?
Jesus.
It is Jesus.
This story they tell me, it is very touching.
The story dey very touching. 9-2 mark they had for your face. For my girl.
What did I do now?
I dey tell you my girl story. Your bola dey raise. My own girl, one wan marry you. The way they go, let's bet. This Agungi must kill you. Let's bet. You don't even need one Agungi, like 5. My brother, you spoil. You spoil. Evil, envy. Oh. But tell you about my girl, get mad die. Tell you about my girl, your bullet the race. This Agungi, now he go kill you.
Which kind of wahala be this? And so yesterday, they read the book of Sons of Solomon. Where they for talk about breast and this thing. Agungi slapped me. I don't even feel it Bible again with the information breast. Need to do something about this Agungi.